Hello YouTubers! Today I am showing you how to make a temporary tattoo at home just 5 minutes. See the full video, only 5 minutes. Full video watch time. Okay friends, just you have to need any powder and a normal paint. Okay, so just watch. It's so easy, just 5 minutes. First of all, you have to draw here. Just see the full video. It is very easy. Just you have to need a Vaseline and a black paint. Okay, so you have to draw here. See carefully. Okay, see very carefully. See very carefully. It is so easy. Just imagine. Please friend, please see the full video. It is so easy. Just 5 minutes you can make for 3 months. It is waterproof, 100% waterproof. I will show you. It is 100% waterproof. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's really amazing. It's a really amazing tricks. You can, if you love tattoo, you can share this video with your friend in Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. Okay. So yes, that is now finished. Okay friends, so you have to do now, put here powder, any powder, face powder. Wow, great. Do it 5 times. Remember that. Do it 5 times. 3 or 5 times. It is so easy. Please friend, share this video with your friends. It is temporary tattoo. It is only for 3 months. So I hope you enjoy it, and it is so helpful video I think for you. If you love tattoo, you can make it freely. You can make it freely, total free. Okay. Yes, now this time it is so perfect. Now this time you have to need to make sure that it is how permanent, how strong is it. So you have to need Vaseline or any cream, any types of cream you can use. Okay, so friend, let us start. This is the time to experiment. Oh my god, you can see friend, it's also amazing. You can use any types of cream, any types of Vaseline or cream. Okay, so really it's so good. Now this time we prove that it is waterproof or not. There is water. Okay, so now this time we prove that it is waterproof or not. Oh my god, you just see, it is waterproof. It is 100% waterproof. If you try, please do it 5 times. Remember that, do it 5 times. Draw the tattoo in 5 times. That's why it is waterproof. See friend, it is totally waterproof. Yes, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Subscribe and click the bell button and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. See my latest video on my channel. Thank you so much.